Okay, hey guys, welcome back. If I decide to separate this up into two separate videos, welcome back. We are going to do DIY felt plants. We just tried some really spicy gum, and so if you see us breathing like we're dying over here, that's why. If we're drooling at all, that's why. So I apologize in advance, but we're gonna try to do something kind of fun. We really don't know what we're doing, but we have instructions, so it can't be that hard, right?
No.
Okay, fold all of the scored lines. Remove backing from the one side squared. Adhesive, and place as shown.
Here is the adhesive squares. Look at these little nublets. That's what they gave me.
Okay. So it looks like you do this. Alright guys, so I think what I'm going to do is change it over to the time lapse while we roll up our felt plants, just so that you guys don't get too bored. And then when we're done with the rolling up the felt and coloring and whatever we decide to do, and we're sticking them, we'll come back to regular video. Yay! Okay, see you guys in a few. Yay! We did it! This is what it looks like. It's really fun. That was really fun to do. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you guys could see some of it. Got to see us playing. But yeah, that was really fun. It was silly, but super fun to do. And it was a good day to just like sit around and hang out. Yeah, I really like some of these. They're super cute. They say you could spray it with hairspray to set the chalk better so that it would keep the color longer, I'm assuming, but we'll see. Maybe. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow along on more little things like this or adventures around Maui, hit the subscribe button down below. And let me know, do you guys like do-it-yourself things like this that come pre-packaged, or do you guys do it-yourself things? And if you do, let me know what kind of things do you do. Do you like knit, or do you like make felt creations like this, or do you make clothing, or what is your DIY? Do you carve wood and make furniture? Who knows? Anyways, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.